It's your boy, Pelegocan. And I have the big boy Lego set. The medieval Blacksmith. That's right, that's the most expensive set that I ever bought. Second most expensive set I ever bought is the Saturn V rocket, which I still have intact. But so I was thinking about taking that apart to use for, it's like white roof tiles. Make like a snowy mock, but anyway. This has a bunch of shield pieces. It's pretty great. I don't have all the minifigures showed here. I'm gonna like bring the camera further in to look at this, but I just wanna summarize that I built this in 2 days, and it was a pretty substantial build. It's not that complicated. I will say that the tree was complicated somewhat and tedious, but I liked it. It was an interesting build, and yeah, the rest of it's pretty good. And yeah, I got it because there was double VIP points and a promo. So seems like a good time to get it. It kind of goes with the 3-in-1 castle set I got, even though the scale is totally different. Yeah. The scale is too big. It's too big. But yeah, I guess I'll zoom in now. Let's zoom in. I'm gonna take you on a ride here. Okay. So I guess we're gonna look at the top floor. Yes. So just real quick, there's a window there, there's a window here, there's a chimney. It's a bit of a gap in there. But it's okay. You can take the roof off from this side, but it's kind of jammed in between the chimney and the window and all that, so it's probably better off that you don't. There's another small window on this side. So yeah, I'm reviewing this. I like how they have like the shingles missing over here. That's pretty cool. And this side pops off easier. It's got the sandy green, which I guess is like some moss or something, or lichen or whatever, which I think is a pretty good effect. Then here looks great. This looks great up here. That bed is glorious. This figure doesn't come with it, but I just picked a random figure. It's the bearskin rug there. There's a chest with a compass and a bag in it to represent that the designer likes to travel. It's a really nice little writing area with a candle off to the side there, and then it's got the chimney, goes all the way through. It's got a wooden post. It's got the bearskin rug's pretty nice. There's just a hole in the floor, which is where the stairs are. The back of the roof is just this, and then these just kind of fall into these pieces that kind of just holds the roof in. There's kind of a gap created up top. Can't really see it. So I'll move this. So there's 1x1 cylinders up in the top there, and the roof kind of snugs in there in that spot. Yeah, that's pretty great. And then the roof comes off. I'll put that to the side. Oh, something I wanted to show is that this kind of looks like a pixelated kind of a look to it. You can put like a palm tree on here and it looks like a beach or something. It's like water. It's a weird palm tree design I made. But it looks like kind of looks like a water design you could do with this. Potentially. It's an idea I came up with anyway. Okay, next floor. Can I bring this down? Can I try to bring this down? This is an experimental video. Okay, next floor. It's pretty good. I keep hitting the freaking tree against the background here. Well, whatever. The next floor comes off. This is a sign that's over the blacksmith shop. It looks great. And this is fabulous. It's got a kitchen. The kitchen is fantastic. It's got the carrot in there being cut. It's got some stuff going on in there. There's actually wood logs in the fire. Apparently this is a butter churner, whatever that means. It's like how you make butter back in the day or something. Maybe that's how they make butter now, I don't know, but honestly when I built it I thought it was a mop. I thought it was a mop bucket. There's like it's like a thing in there. I thought this was a mop bucket. But yeah, no, that's, I guess it's a butter churn. Kind of sounds better. I like butter. Butter's pretty good. Yeah, there's a lot of those black lightsaber pieces. Or the Darth Maul piece, I like to think of it as. You know, the Monkey Kid staff piece. It's like a double lightsaber thing. There's a good amount of those in this. Probably like 4 or 5 of them. I don't know. But we got the silver cups. Chicken. You got the chicken. The chairs are pretty impressive. They get the axe elements. For the backs of the chairs is a butterbeer barrel and under the stairs. Candles around the window. It looks kind of fancy, honestly. And the door you can just kind of push in, and it has one of those lightsaber hilt type pieces for the handle, but again, it's the double one, which is like a fairly newish piece. And they got these round tiles. I actually seen a house in real life that had these this kind of design on it with the round like that, so that's kind of cool. It made me think of this set, but I think it looks really good. Again, the chimney goes all the way through. And then, see, I gotta get the bottom. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit awkward. Hopefully I don't just like drop the camera or something. Okay, we're down here. Can we see this? This is still too big to really show. move back a bit. Yeah, I got the blacksmith as one of these dog things. This one has not as much gray as the other two that I have. Does that show up on camera? It's blinding in real life, by the way. This like hurts my eyes to look at it in real life. It's kind of blinding how bright that is, but it's a very cool feature. You can have some tools in a barrel and get the anvil. Makes me think about that show, Forged in Fire. It's a new episode of that. I think I'm gonna watch that tomorrow, probably. Seems like a cool show. You got the well, the tree with the targets. You probably couldn't see the well. It's actually kind of a interesting well design. There's like wood in here, just like hidden away. Can't really appreciate it that well. It's really hidden away in there. There's a pumpkin patch. Also, I want to show the corners of the walls is really cool. I like how they did this. These ones are just like these slide along the stud. So it's like perfectly on the edge or whatever. It's cool, and then like this window is really cool. Pumpkin patch. I get the flowers of the squash plant, and then they turn into you start off as like a smaller squash, and then they become a full-grown squash. Maybe it's 2 different kinds of squash, or maybe it's 3 different kinds of squash, and the flower ones are going to be something else. I don't know. But yeah, there's also a line of water here to like keep it cool or something. I don't know. And then like inside, they got a hot billet on the anvil. They got different tools and parts. They got this weird this weird element here that I don't have otherwise. Makes me think about architecture sets. There's like a grinder wheel. I don't really know how that's powered. Maybe it's like the foot. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. There's another door. Maybe that'll help. Can you see it? Can you see it now? There's a grinder wheel. So I kind of imagine that it's like pedal powered. Like you just like press on a pedal with your foot and like that spins the wheel. Because I don't really know how else that would work. Because obviously it's not electric, so... Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool set. Pretty cool set though. Kind of excessive. They give you extra armor. It's like shoulder pad pieces. One of those shields. Did I show the apple tree? I mean, the apple tree is pretty awesome. But that's about it. I mean, I didn't want this to be this long of a video. I just want to show that I got the sets, and let's see, what are my opinions? It came with the horse. I put the crown on. I had this crown piece from some like castle Disney princess pack thing. Finally got to use it because this centerpiece comes with a hole in it. So this is like the queen now. This is like the closest thing I have to a queen minifigure. Yas queen. And there's a dog. I was thinking maybe this dog's better for my collection. Can you see the dogs? I don't know what I'm doing right now. And I was having her like shoot the cup off the dog or something. But I still kind of prefer the brick bolt horses, honestly. I don't know, I like the brick bolt stuff. But yeah, there was some other figures. I mean, you can look it up. There's like, what is there? Okay, there's the figures. I showed off the minifigures expertly. So yeah, there it is. Remember, if Pelegocan, so can you.